weeds roll. A secret lies buried in the heart of the oak. The sheriff with his badge shining in the sun, but behind those eyes is where the devil's work is done. Rode into town with a smile so sly, earning trust from men with an unwavering eye. But when midnight strikes and the shadows grow tall, the sheriff becomes the darkest fear of all. Beware of the sheriff in the old saloon's glow. He keeps the peace, but his heart's cold as snow. In the dead of night, when the town's asleep, he's out there hunting with a secret to keep. Whisper, but don't dare to say what disappears under the moon's gray sway. Notorious outlaws vanished without a trace, bodies found wrapped in lace. Beware of the sheriff in the old saloon's glow. He keeps the peace, but his heart's cold as snow. In the dead of night, when the town's asleep, he's out there hunting with a secret to keep.
Sunday best and shotgun shells. Preacher sweats but never tells. Something rotten in the chapel air. Behind stained glass they whisper prayers. Cicadas scream like sirens call, while secrets rot behind white walls. A girl went missing back in June, but Mama swears she heard her tune. Small town secrets don't stay buried long. Blood runs thicker, but the truth runs strong. You can hide the sin in the pine wood floor, but justice is knocking on the devil's door.